Morning, teacher. My name is Nilson Casallas Medina. My favorite foods are the fruits like banana, papaya, orange, avocado, lemon, pineapples, grapes, pears. My favorite vegetables are cucumber, salaries, onions, tomato, cilantro, corn. Uh, I like how to breakfast and chocolate, coffee with milk, oatmeal, wholemeal bread, eggs, cereal, and yogurt. I like how to breakfast. I like the soups in general. Rice soups, chicken soup, fish soups. I like the potato, the yuca, and like the salads and general juice. Uh, I eat lunch and go to the restaurants.